Initial D, what's up?
Sticker.
Sidap. Rayo. Audits. Bakit ganun? Tingnan na natin ito.
Sayawan.
Sana all. Mr. Don. Shane, hi Amori. Me Amori. Hello, welcome. What's up to you? How's your everyday going?
Wonderful nightmare, my love. Eh, nung sabi ko sa'yo, yung wonderful nightmare, hindi natin ginawa, ha? Ikaw na naman.
Hello guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? The wonderful nightmare. Mola. Hi Innocent. What's up? Hello guys. It's okay to say hi, hello, like that. Diamond Fans Club Fantastic Journey. What's that mean? Uy, campaign. Hello guys, welcome. How? Hi, Monjuk Mawar. Hello everybody. Hi Antu. What's up? Jan. Hello. Ronald. Hello Ronald.
Mag-isa ako dahil sa pagmamahal na ito.
Berta. Tony.
I'm grateful. Everything I needed to succeed.
Hannah. Ai.
People in the cautionary tale.
Okay lang
I
Neil.
won't live life like them.
Manhat.
I won't be like you.
Yes, I am. So, what now? Miss Man, Blackjack, Bizarre. Thank you for the follow. Neil. Hello. For the follow, guys. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. QB, Eddie, wow. Eddie, wow. Hi, Eggy. And North, thank you for the follow. What's up, guys? Steven. Hi, Erwin. Thank you for the follow. LX, si Doug. Thank you for the follow. FBI. Bobby, Abba, Starboy. What's up? Pasta. Bakit? Thank you for the follow. Follow. Arben Tagi. Hello. Thanks for the follow. Kangguring.
Hindi namin kailangan
Dito.
ng pera.
Malaikamassalam. Hi, Jens.
Makulong yan.
Hi, Dance.
She deserves that.
Thank you for the follow.
Ang MDC Construction ang pinakamalaking real estate group dito sa Pilipinas. Madali para kayong samatas na force.
Hindi ko sure. Hindi man to nakakain.
Give it 3 years at makakalimutan din ng mga Pilipino ang issue ito. Pero paano naman ang anak niya? May iwan siya dito sa Pilipinas. Makababat pa ng buhay ng mga anak mo, nanay. Imagine, kapag sumabog ang issue ito, makikilala ng lahat ng tawang anak.
Sas, garay kuma. Makuma ka na nang walang mangyari sa'yo dong.
Susundan siya kahit sa school, sa church niyo, sa future work niya, sa career niya, social media,
Mansari.
everywhere. Makikilala siya ng lahat.
Wala. Thank you, Angie.
As that
Hi, Doc.
girl,
What's up? Demoto. Hello, welcome. 19 before. Hello, welcome.
Ang ibang mga nanay education ang gustong ipamana sa kanilang mga anak. Ito
What's
ang gusto
up?
ipamana sa anak mo. Hindi kami makikipag-areglo sa inyo. Sis. Kahit ilang milyong bangus pa ang i-divorce
Thank
sa
you,
malamang, hindi
Pansy.
mo kakayaning ibigay ang ganito kalaking pera sa pamilya mo. Mas mahalaga pa ba ang pride mo kaysa sa future ng family mo?
Hi, KG. Avail, mommy.
Pero bakit ang
Ano
sama mo
ibig
sa
sabihin?
kapwa mo?
Lokasi. Ben Roby. Hello,
Magaling yung offer
welcome.
niyo.
Gina.
Makikipag-areglo kami.
Thank you, Ben Roby.
Yes, room aside from me.
Hi. How are you? Yes, I am. Why? Do I look not okay?
Hayop ka talaga.
Askeria.
I want to be like you when I grow up.
Ah.
Ayun, ganyan ka.
If you grow up. Attorney Maria Luisa Manuel. You're smiling.
Hi, Kang Sahar.
Ikaw ang humawak ng kaso ng Nepo Babies. Judging your smile,
316.
seems like you got what you wanted. Ayun ka na naman sa pagiging trip mo. You know what? If you're not busy with power,
921.
but not everyone is as lucky as you. Hindi naman ako defender/enabler ng
Antok.
MDZ.
Hi. Guys, tap, guys.
You get taxpayers' money. I get retainers fee from MDZ. That's the nature of capitalism. Ang pinaglalaban ko, mga api.
Sandy. SS, no?
Ipinanalo mo ba? You know what, Ariel, you were so dramatic.
Hello,
And
welcome.
that's what differentiates the powerful from the poor. Pathetic.
Innocent.
Kamusta pa yung
Most.
blind date mo? Did it make you wonder?
Then,
Alam mo, Kaz, walang kwenta. He is way younger than me.
Russ.
He makes less money. At meron siyang building.
Gosh, all the guys I know make less money than you.
You know what, Kaz? Can we just talk about other important things? Except this.
hi, Pazil. Hello, welcome.
39 ka na. Kumakaway na yung senior citizen discount mo.
Kumakaway na.
Yung standards mo.
Sunny.
Pag-aaral
Oo,
ng
makaway na
boy,
din sino sige
nayayakap sa'yo till the day you die.
Tapos,
Hi! Malapit na
hi,
ako.
Jex. Hello. Dylan. Potit.
Ay,
Hi.
sana ulit.
Hello? Yes, sir.
Thank you for
There's
looking
someone.
after my idiotic son.
I'm just doing my job, sir. Thank you for
Jade, hello,
facilitating my
welcome.
transfer to the
Casper.
US.
Hello, everybody.
You are good.
What's up?